Hey, it's Nick with Family Handyman. Last year we surveyed our DIY audience and learned that more than 60% of you are interested in a getaway home. To be honest, the curiosity also got to us. With more than a year of design and planning, and the better part of a spring and summer actually completing the build, we're going to show you what it took, as well as the finished product here at the Family Handyman Getaway. So let's start here on the path up from the lake. What we learned early on in this build is that nothing is easy in the woods. We're about an hour round trip from the nearest home improvement center. So what Brad ended up doing was mulching a bunch of the felled trees that were taken down during site prep using a DR Power mulcher, as well as cutting these wood discs to provide a really rustic but organic path up from the lake. Our original design plan of the Getaway, we were going to build on a concrete slab. Well, we quickly learned that in this part of northwestern Wisconsin, we were required to pour at least a 4-foot frost footing, and we're presented with a choice. Either 4 feet of frost footings or an 8-foot basement ceiling. We went with the basement, doubled the square footage, and at the same time we actually laid out the forms to do our retaining wall, which saved us money in the long run and is a great final look. Because we had the time, we were able to shop around for doors and windows for this project. One of my favorite best pro tips of this project is that every door and window, with the exception of the glass garage door, actually came from either an auction or a secondhand building supply store. The deck was a major project that we kicked off as soon as the foundation was in the ground, and we built it right. We worked with Rental HQ to source and rent some heavier equipment for this job. We did the entire framing of the deck using kiln-dried after-treated lumber. And then for the decking itself, we used Deckorators Tropics boards. It's a composite board, but it gives a rich, tropical hardwood look without any of the maintenance. And to finish this project off, we installed a cable railing, which opened up the sight lines for better views all around. One of the showstoppers here at the Family Handyman Getaway is definitely the siding. And both the siding as well as the soffit are both steel, meaning that they're going to last for just about a lifetime. And my favorite part, when it's all done, all of it can be recycled. When we envisioned the Getaway, we really wanted a space that not only the outside came in, but the inside came out. And that's what we built here with this Wayne Dalton garage door. It's a glass panel door. The best part about it, in my opinion, is not only is the glass insulated, but all the panels are as well, making this a true 4-season home. And speaking of insulation, we installed Owens Corning pink Next Gen into the walls and combined that with our hot roof. Then we installed an American Standard HVAC system. The best part about this system is it's perfectly sized for our house. It's AC, furnace, the works. Make sure that this house can be enjoyed year-round. The footprint of our Getaway is about 1,000 square feet, and we opted to put the same flooring across the entire first floor. Makes it easy to keep it clean and sweep it out. Looking up, our ceilings are vaulted, and although some of these rooms are kind of small, the vaulted ceilings makes each room feel really open and airy, just the way we designed. And we saved a few dollars here in the kitchen. We put in ready-to-assemble cabinets from the RTA store. Using RYOBI tools, we cut out and finished the sink opening. And then we actually laminated the countertops ourselves. And additionally, we saved some money by buying all of our appliances from a big box outlet store. Although there are a lot of great projects here at the Getaway, one of my favorites is the way that the bathroom turned out. We carried in the glass motif into the bathroom here with this freestanding glass shower unit. Combined it with custom tile, as well as niches to be able to hold all of your bathroom essentials. It's really just a great space. And finally, the bedrooms. We're here in the main bedroom, which opens out onto the deck and has beautiful views of the lake. Additionally, we put closet organizers in both closets to cut down on clutter in the room. And in our guest room, we maximize visitors by putting a triple bunk in. Well, now you've seen our Getaway, and I hope we inspired you to work on yours. We've been capturing all the projects that went into our space and posted them at familyhandyman.com. And if you do end up building something, please send us pictures. I'd love to see it.